Hi guys, we continue with the online classes. Now we will see the conditionals in Excel. This is the format of a conditional, but we need to know first what is a conditional. I don't know, I think that your parents say that if you want to go out or if you want to buy something, your parents say to you that you need to do some things before to buy something or to go out. I don't know. Yes, this is a conditional, something that you need to do first to do another thing. Yes, what happens if you don't do that? You don't go out, or your parents don't buy something that you want. Yes, this is a conditional. Okay, a conditional is something that you need to do, yes, to do another thing. In Excel exists a conditional, but the conditional is something that you need to check. You need to check something, and if the conditional is true, you can do something. If not, you don't. You go to the false. This is the structure of that instruction. Remember, we will see the Excel in Spanish, so the name is in Spanish, sí. In English, if. Okay, equals if, parenthesis, the condition. What is the structure of a condition in Excel? The structure of a condition in Excel is that reference, the first reference, relational operator like equal, greater than, less than, greater or equal than, less or equal than, and is not equal. This is the operators. And now another reference or a value. Yes, three things that you need to know for the condition. Now, if the condition are true, comma, you can do that. What you can put here, you can put text, you can put numbers, and you can put another formula. Comma, false. If the condition is true, you can do that. If not, you can do that. Okay? Well, now we will see an sample. For example, I don't know, you type your age and you determine if you can vote. Remember, in Mexico you need to have 18 years old to vote. Yes, I don't know, for example here 15. Now we will type the structure equal, remember, because it's a formula. C in Spanish, if your Excel is in English, is if, parenthesis, the prueba lógica in Spanish, the condition, what is the structure, reference, relational operator, another reference, or a value. Okay, the first one, reference. What will compare the age? Where is the age? Here. Okay, this is our reference. Okay, which age is the appropriate to vote? 18 in Mexico. Yes, so you need now a relational operator. Which one? You can think that this one, because maybe you heard that in Mexico you need to be greater than 18 years old. Yes, this is correct. This is correct. But here you need to consider that operator. Why? Because in the moment that you are 18 years old is equal the exact moment in you that you are 18 years old. Yes, so you will use that operator. Yes, so this is greater and equal, yes, a reference or a value. You need to be 18 years old. Okay, so this is the conditional. T3 greater or equal than 18, comma. You can put here numbers, text, and another formulas. Here we will use a text, but remember, a text inside of a formula need to be between quotes. Yes, remember, a text inside of a formula need to be between quotes. So I don't know, yes, you can vote. I don't know, something like that, comma. What happens if you don't have the enough age? You cannot vote. Okay, so if you are 15, you cannot vote. 18, you can, yes, you can vote. Yes, you cannot vote. I don't know, you can change that message like no, you can't vote, something like that. Well, what happened if you change that operator like that? Only greater than. Check. If I type here 18, no, you can't vote because it's exactly 80. So you need to change to greater or equal 18. So you can vote. Yeah, this is important here. Okay, this is the example. Well, now we will see the exercises that you will make. Now the first one, then exercise number 9. Okay, is a format about budget expenses for all the week. Okay, I don't know, expenditure budget, what you I don't know, what you buy, I don't know, and what is the budget for that day. For example, the Monday your expenditure, your expenses was 45. Budget was 15. Yes, 50. Okay, what happened here? You spend less than the budget. Yes. Well, you will calculate the difference between expenditure and budget. How? The budget less than the expenditure or your expense. Yes, so is the formula here in difference for every day. How you know if you exceed your budget? How? Using the if formula. Yes, how? For example, here on the Monday, on Monday the difference was 5 pesos. Okay, exceed the budget? No. Tuesday, 10 pesos? No. Wednesday, 12 pesos? No. Thursday, minus 1 pesos. Except? Yes, because your expense was 51 and your budget was 50. So how you can do that? Okay, you need to know that exists different way to solve that, but I will explain the easy mode or the easy way that I think it is more easy, but so I will explain another ways. Okay, the first way that I think this is the most easiest, you can compare expenditure with budget. Yes, for example here, if if the budget are greater than expenditure, you can put here no. Yes. Okay, this is correct. You can compare expenditure with the budget. If your budget is greater than your expenses, no, you are less than the budget. Okay, this is one way. Exists some strange people. I don't know if the word strange is correct here, but it is less common that the people think that, but it's possible. Yes, for example here, I will copy that. Some people think, yes, in this case budget was greater than spend. Okay, so another people thinks the expenditure greater than budget. Yes, you are over the budget, and works. Yeah, it is less common than the another way, but it is when condition that works. If you understand the first way, if you understand that, is enough for me. But if you don't, you need to think about it. Maybe you can think that it is the best way for you. I don't know. Yes. Okay. Doesn't exist only two ways. Exists another two. Yes. Another way to know is check or compare the difference. For example, here, the difference. If the difference are, I don't know, how do you know? Only check the difference that you are over or no the budget thing here. This is over, yes, because it's negative. This is negative, this is negative. Oh, the thing is, if your difference are over 0 or greater than 0 or is positive, yes, you don't exceed your budget. Okay, works. This works. This is another way to know if you exceed your budget. If you understand the first one or the second one thing, the second one way, don't think about it. Yes, but if you don't, you need to check this. Okay, and exist another people that use that condition. If the difference are less than 0 or less than 0, yes and no, still working. Okay, this is another way to solve that. But what I recommend to you, maybe this is the positive logic for almost all the people thinks that is correct, or this is a positive logic. This is negative logic. Okay, well, I only saw that because some people use the negative logic. I don't know why, but this exists. Okay, well, that was the exercise number 9. Okay, the next one. School format. It's about 4 subjects and 10 students. Okay, you will calculate the average promedio in Spanish of 4 subjects. Yes, and the maximum, which was the maximum grade. Yes, max, minimum, mean. And how you know if the student approve or fail. Okay, you need to check the average of all the subjects. How? If G2, in this case, student number 1, the average of the student 1 are greater or equal than 70, approve. If don't, fail. Okay, this is very easy. So, and the last one, the number 11, this is a format for a profit. Okay, this is looks like the second one, like no, the second one, no, the third one, like that. Yes, well, I don't know, you bought 200 cereals at 27.89 pesos. Yes, and you will sell that cereals at 39.95 pesos. So what is your profit? Okay, what is your profit here? Almost 12 pesos. Yes, but remember, you bought and will sell 200. How do you calculate that? Sales value less purchase value. Okay, yes, almost 12. So you multiply that by the unit, but this is a mistake. Remember priority operators. So you need to put here a parenthesis for calculate first the subtraction. Yes, total is adding. Okay, how do you know if you have a profit? If you have, okay, if your sales value are greater than the purchase value, okay, or if your utilities are over 0. So in this case you lost because you bought their products at 9 pesos and sells to 8 pesos. Okay, so this is all, guys. I expect that you will send me your homework. Okay, see you guys.